at KCU, the kids are the teachers, and we are your professors.
That means
KJ Fisher
and Izzy McGee.
We are going to create, learn,
And play
all day, every day.
So grab your goggles
And grab your glue and get ready to learn something new. Because class
is now in session
at KCU. Welcome to Kids Creator University. Today we're going to make a pizza.
Yeah, and we're gonna learn some fractions while we do it.
Let's get to it. Also, make sure to get a parent to preheat the oven to 450 degrees. So here's the equipment you need. You need a pizza cutter, 3 bowls, 2 spoons, and a pizza plate. Be careful with the pizza cutter. It could cut you. Be careful.
So here's the ingredients. So we have pizza crust, which we already have. We have some cheese, we have some tomato sauce, and some pepperoni, of course.
Pepperoni.
That's funny.
So guys, let's make a pizza and learn about fractions.
Yeah!
So we're going to start with our tomato sauce.
Let's get the spoon.
So we're going to take this spoon and we're going to scoop the tomato sauce and put it on. We're going to need 2 scoops.
Okay, so this is the second
1
scoop.
and 2. Now, Izzy, be very, very, very precise. Don't cover the whole pizza because we need to have the crust. The crust is the best part and you will not change my mind. So make a circle around the crust.
Okay.
Okay. Get it in there. Get it in there. And that looks good. Okay, yep. Put it there. Now we're going to take our cheese.
And we're going to sprinkle it.
And we're going to sprinkle it over the sauce.
Not
So
on the crust.
Take some.
Like we could do it like this. Oh. Wow.
Sprinkle, sprinkle.
I can smell the goodness. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
Oh, yep. Sprinkle it like the chef I am. Well, we're both chefs.
Yeah. We're science chefs, actually.
Because we're learning about fractions.
That's math.
Math can be related to science in a way.
Okay.
And if some cheese accidentally gets on the crust, that is okay.
Enough cheese. Okay.
That looks good, actually.
Yeah.
That actually looks good. Okay.
Okay.
Now that we're done with our cheese, we're going to take our pepperoni. We're going to take our pepperoni. And we're going to just place it wherever we want on the pizza. So just take some and just place it down.
Place it wherever you want. It's gonna taste good after we put it in the oven.
Ooh, delicious. Chef kiss. So get a parent to put this pizza in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. And after, we're gonna learn about fractions, and then we get to eat it!
Now that's the fun part.
Yup. So let's put this in the oven from 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll be right back once this gets heated. Now we're gonna learn about fractions.
So, KJ, do you know what a fraction is?
Well, a fraction is part over whole. Your numerator is the top part of the number, which is the parts number.
And your whole is the denominator because it's the bottom part of your number.
So here we have 1 whole pizza.
So let's say we had 1 whole pizza and you wanted to give it to your friends. So you would have to slice it down the middle
Okay.
And then, KJ, tell us the fraction.
So your fraction will be 1 over 2, also known as 1/2.
Okay, so let's say our mother gave us a whole pizza, but she cut it into 3/3 for us. But I snuck a slice before we could start.
So the fraction would be 1/3. And it is 1/3 because the pizza was originally split into thirds. But Izzy took a slice. Enjoy your pizza. Now it's time to compare the fractions.
Yeah.
So here we have 1/2 and 1/3. But we both want to know, who is the bigger slice?
So here's how you can do it. You can just cross multiply.
And the way to do that is we will take 3 and 1. So we would do bam, bam. And since 3 times 1 is 3, I'll write 3 up here.
And now it's my turn. So let's do 1 and 2. Bam, bam. Wait. Bam, bam. So we have, so it is, let me write the 2. Okay.
Yeah, that's a 2. So since 3 is greater than 2, this slice is bigger.
Mm-hmm.
So we would write this sign to show that this side is bigger. Or you could just look and tell if you want. That's what I do.
Really? And that's how you compare fractions.
Yep, you can just cross multiply.
Mm-hmm.
And if this helped you, you're welcome.
You're welcome.
Dun, dun, dun.
So, we're going to need this pizza into 8 slices for us and our family.
So I'm going to cut it into 8 slices.
Cut it, cut it, cut it. The pizza's making my mouth water.
So now that we have our 8 slices, we are going to take our 2. Ooh, wow.
Can't wait
But
to eat this.
that makes me wonder. If we have our 2 slices, what fraction would it be if there was 8 to begin with, but we have 2? Do you guys know what that would be? Well, I figured it out. Since we have our 2, but there's 6 left and we had 8 to begin with, that'll be 2 8s.
Oh, yeah!
Because we have 2, but there was 8 to begin with. And we took 2 parts from the 8s.
Oh, yeah!
Now, let's start eating.
This pizza's so good, but gotta go. See you in the next episode.
KCU has some jokes for you.
Gentlemen first.
Okay. Ooh, what are twins' favorite fruit?
I don't know.
Pears.
Oh, that's funny. That's funny. That's so funny. Oh,
Yeah.
My thing. What did the play say to the others?
What did the play say to the others? That's a tough one.
Okay, time's up.
Yeah, I give up.
Dinner's on me.
You're funny.
Okay, your turn.
Oh, I got one. Waiter, will my pizza be long?
No, I don't know.
No, sir. It will be round.
Okay.
Your turn.
Okay. What did the baby corn say to its mom?
Oh. I give up. I don't know.
Where is popcorn? That's crazy.
Ooh, my last one is, what do you give to a sick lemon?
I don't know.
lemonade.
Oh, that's funny. Oh my god.
Well, that's it for Joke Day. And we hope to see you again with another episode here at KCU. Good
Okay,
job.
we're out.